Well, okay, that's fine. Hi, I'm Mark Schneider, you're watching Schneider Classics, and today, we're about to put some tires on this old girl. As you can see, we got some pretty old tires for this thing that I gotta get jacked up and put on. This ain't be a quick little video, but there is a story to tell where these tires came from, because these are not the original tires to this 1967 910. So first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get these tires on, and then I'm gonna tell you a story of where these tires came from. So as you can tell, we've had a bit of a problem here. Now, because this truck's been on here for a while, I had put them on blocks, but these blocks have sunken into the ground, and the one has fallen off the block on the opposite side. So I'm gonna have to get this lifted up the sketchy way. This is maybe sketchy. All these tires out of the way. I do have a new dust cap coming for that. That's just, that's new. It's been covered this whole time, but we got to get these tires on. Time to do some sketchy shit.
Take my breath away, 'cause I'm a slave to society. Please forgive my soul, I was too scared to break away. Could you embrace my flaws, 'cause I was too young to know what's wrong and right, but now I wanna try to understand. I was scared to break away, now I feel so out of place. Please show me the right way, 'cause if you don't, I think I'll lose control. I was scared.
So you have to be very, very careful while doing something like this, because this is very dangerous. This is one chain link broken away from death if I'm underneath there. So I'm thinking not being underneath there as much as I possibly can, because right now we're just wrapped around the front cross member, and I have a chain binder on there to hook up the chain together to get there. It's not the most reliable setup.
Cause if you don't, I think I'll lose control. Now I break away, break away. Now I break away, break away. Now I break away, break away. Now I break I'm shutting down, oh can't you see? Need to power my energy. Oh, with you near, I feel invincible, but I'm still scared. Could you embrace my flaws? I was too young to know what's wrong and right, but now I'm trying to understand. I was scared to break away, now I feel so out of place. Please show me the right way, 'cause if you don't, I think I'll lose control. I was scared, 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 break away, out of place. 'Cause if you don't, I think I'll lose control. Now I break away, break away. 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 Take my breath away, 'cause I'm a slave to society. Please forgive my soul, I was too scared to break away. Could you embrace my flaws, 'cause I was too young to know what's wrong and right, but now I wanna try to understand. I was scared to break away, now I feel so out of place. Please show me the right way, 'cause if you don't, I think I'll lose control. I was scared, scared, scared.
So with the battery just being in here loosely for like the last 2 months, all the lights still work and everything. I still need to finish welding up some stuff for the clearance lights, but still lights. So let's get these back wheels on. So I still got a little bit of cleanup to do. Like this has to go away. They probably put this tarp right over the cab and over the back here on some stuff, because we got the gas tank here and we got the seat here, but she's on tires and no longer on blocks. Damn, those tires look good. And I just threw the doors on. I do gotta find, I don't remember where, I gotta find where I put the bolts for the doors, because I'll just put these on and deal with them. Damn, she's looking good. I didn't take the tarp off. No, I left the tarp over. There's a tarp over the engine there. But I did finally take the battery in. Damn, those doors. This looks way better with the doors on. To be real, once the fender's on, this truck is slowly coming together. Even though I gotta rip the engine back out and rebuild it. But that's life. So the stories on these tires. So if I flash back to the video of me taking off the original turbo 350 transmission out of this,
I'm shutting down, what can't you see?
that transmission got traded to a guy for a manual transmission that is going in the 60s Bel Air. The 60s Bel Air that is the Mexicans that you guys have seen. So that's where that manual transmission is. That was a trade from the original turbo 350. Now the guy I did that trade with, one, he has a beautiful truck, and I'm trying to work something out where I could do a video with him in his truck because it's beautiful. That's where that turbo 350 is. It's inside that truck. So he upgraded his tires from the 6-lug to a 5-lug system with disc brakes. Oh, I don't know if he has disc brakes yet or not. I may have to talk to him about that. But he converted 6-lug to 5-lug. I want to keep the traditional 6-lug on this thing, so I went and picked up his old tires. The second reason I need tires is Zombie Body Shop has my rims, and we were gonna work something out so he got me tires. He has to run a shop, which I completely understand. He's really busy. I want to support him with that, but I need tires in the meantime. So I went and got tires. I'm gonna go pick up my rims hopefully sometime soon, because these bad boys with the beauty rings, the hubcaps, and the tires are staying on these with some GM Rally wheels, and they look sick. I won't lie, they look sick. So that's where those came from. It's so nice just to see this truck on tires. Hi, Bob. You're running around me? You know, Cat Shop likes having you in the videos, you know. He says you're I've been taking you on as my apprentice. Hey? You like the vehicles. But this thing's slowly been getting done. I do have to, because I didn't notice till before. I thought I did do up all the bolt melts. I didn't. The back bolt melts aren't done up, and that is because the farmer torched out the old bolt, so half the bolt is still in there. So I got to go in there with the drill bit and drill out the drill bits. I might have to cut a little bit in the top here and put new weld in new bolt ends to screw those leg bolts in. But well, I mean, if I got to cut them out and do all that, whatever, first I'm gonna try and drill, and if the drill comes through, that's gonna be awesome. If it doesn't, well, then I'll just cut a little patch in the top, take it out, and do the bolts from the top down, because I rather them all just be the same. We'll see. It all depends on how that goes, but that's gonna be a journey. That needs to happen before the seat goes back in and the gas tank. But once those are all in, interior will be done. That is looking pretty sick. So I'm gonna finish cleaning up some here, then we gotta finish up the video with that car, because I gotta put the tires on there, and away we go. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Here's a little, like, I am still working on this truck here and there. Obviously Life's happening and I'm in school, and I'm not trying to give you excuses. This truck is still being built slowly. It's happening slowly. So I'm trying to update you guys as much as possible, as well as funding is limited because I'm unemployed and doing my journeyman 2 through school process instead of apprenticeship process. So it cost me a pretty penny instead of giving me a pretty penny. Yes, Bob. So this project, I am going to try and get everything, like I'm going to work on this through the winter. I'm going to try and get everything done on it except for the engine, because I just don't have money or funds for that right now. You trying to jump on me? So I'm going to finish cleaning up here, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a quick little update of me changing the tires on this thing. Catch you guys on the flip side.
Need to power my energy. Oh, with you near, I feel invincible, but I'm still scared. Could you embrace my flaws? I was too